tara ndo mutima ko keigo ego sorry ya handball asaba subati una ya bire ko bage kegendrete kunde bono manchumo ituguri ase handball yaba mura ndobate ego sorry ya regatie skuru ya Rangala Boys ekorukuru ase county ya Migori nero nigo yanyebwa timu ya Maseno Boys ase ego sorry ya bwate nero obwameriri obutindi mono sana kurende Maseno Boys nigo yabu na Rangala Boys ase ego sorry yeywe kerengo kerigie chi semi final na ntoba tugosanga no morokio monene we timu ya Rangala Boys twende nsemo ya kabiri ya studio torore ebirengereri byaye.
Asante sana kwa majina, naitwa John Kothonyango, coach Rangala Boys handball. Imekuwa ngumu kiasi because we had to train and do some endurance. We've gone through a lot of things. Like at the zonals we had to play several teams and even at the counties. So we are here, we've played Maseno. It has been a tough match. I think it is endurance and keenness that has enabled us to reach this far. And even as we are heading to the finals, we are going to meet Manyata. We had already played them yesterday. They beat us 29-26, but we are going to try. It is still not yet over. So that is what I can say. We are determined. I think we'll just perfect on our weaknesses and also strengthen the strength that we have and represent this region so well. Because we know that the teams that have come from this region, they normally do well. So if we get that chance, if we win the finals, we will equally do the same. Thank you.
Chinga keche chonde ntwa sanga na watani vande Rangala Boys kurende ay wachire boniga andake tole Maseno skuru enene kurende Rangala Boys yabage kobatimoki andake nkeliora tebe gore go sori yu
obonene bwe skuru talivora bwo obonene asichigo sori andake skuru nje jinke lakini cha bekire mikakati cha twalire chitimu chinkomu ndo chengo mwako ga skuru chinga na jikare ko represent una chi regional chitimu cha gendoro njiri twa maite kare nchabo Kisii school yo kindo school jiro ne chinga chinke cha university ya semichezo so tinda ba surprise dinge school nge ya rusiana ne ego depend in investment mo vegeta semichezo
Brana tara sange birengeli byaye igoro ya gosore ya handball ntwa sanga no moroke monne we school ya Maseno Boys yabage korusi wase ekerengo gechi semi finals ego sorry ya handball asanda kate bagatie mechandelia itire ne lichi school chene mo maite abana mono form force bali kwenda go sorry konyara bagutumeka squad yenke form 1 form 2 bagutume kumono otebe ibungati ya biri bya changia etime ete ndale mono ase entunde ya regional league gose regional ase kerengo kiligie chi school ensema ya kabiri ya studio tuigwe mkwana yaye.
Kwa majina ni Christopher Mbima, Rangala Boys High School handball team. Game imekuwa tough kutoka pale tumetoka, lakini kujikakamua tu ndio imefanya tukashinda. Zoezi tumekuwa tunapiga sawa, tumekuwa na sacrifice. Pia support tumepata kwa fans, coach, everybody amesupport, imefanya tumefika mahali petuko. Ni hiyo tu.
Okay, kwa finali ndio tunapanga kuhakikisha kama
finali mwenye tunaenda kutana na yeye ambaye tujajua ni nani, lakini naye mtegemea tumeshacheza na yeye. Sasa tunajua jinsi anavyocheza. Sasa tunataka tuende tujipange turudi.
Andake yune kwanende ya wata ni kurwase timu ya Rangala Boys kurende tabe nkobore nsema yakabere ya studio konyore nkwana yeskuru ya Maseno Boys na ebege kusanga na itutora ndake inki abaroki baba banene baba bakoba bakotema kurenda ndake yabuna rayodi inkeliora tebe goro ya ego sore USA handball
timbadi mangena akwane unumu my friend chef akwane urane bwe school telefone bu mupira nandi ngonero bakwane na form bachiti kwa na mupira anakiwa kwa toka regionals jukurunza mbatumie form force yote batu rentos young kids para form 1 form 2 form 3 koji yo mu akonde nyarwa usika kujimoto
ambara bate abana ki school chene buna Maseno Kisii school kerore national obwate abana ngechiri bwibere okuruse squad korwa abana ngechiri bwibere eri bweyemo korosie squad kayo mu cyando korwa school buna Kisii school kerere kitari kwendale kubwata abana abange orarosie squad korwa
kero kulige linte kiye school na keri na Kisii school form 1 bako ira abana babwate amax semia ine asopo gimobondo bata smart na street smart ono nyoranda kembali wadi miti bana na scholarship ya sports andire ki school echindo chinga konyoro mwalimu go chiaroreta abana babwata max no 250 wabeke school senge chanda ke bakwenyara chigosori baba sponsored tingi ino rumo chanda monne school echindo chigwata na mwana bwata max ina tocha kumubeka getimo no igataite korosi yae asuke gochi motu